If you are a digital product creator, aka course creator, or thinking of becoming one, then you know how critical it is to find the right platform to run your knowledge-based business. Hi there and welcome, I'm Nadia and I'm here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business. In this video, we are diving deep into two biggest names in the industry, and that is Kajabi and Thinkific. We'll be looking at 10 key areas to help you decide which platform is best for you. Stick around to the end because I will tell you who I think each platform is really for. So without further ado, let's get to it. Number one thing, we will be looking at the overall philosophy. Kajabi is positioning itself as an all-in-one solution. It offers a lot of features like courses, websites, funnels, email marketing, podcasts, newsletters, digital downloads, coaching, and even communities. So you think of it as a very robust ecosystem. On the flip side, Thinkific's position is more of a course focus. While it has many features that Kajabi has to offer, Thinkific's primary strength lies in creating and delivering amazing online courses. Number two, pricing and value. Both platforms do not have free plans. However, both offer free trials. Speaking of which, find extended 30-day free trials to either Kajabi or Thinkific in the description of this video. You may have seen that Kajabi's pricing lies more on the higher tier. However, last year in 2024, they introduced a Kickstarter plan that starts at only $89 a month. On the other hand, you can start with Thinkific at only $49 a month, which offers unlimited courses and one community plus 5 downloads, as opposed to one product and one community on Kajabi. Also, on Thinkific, you can have unlimited students, while with Kajabi, on the lowest plan, you can only have up to 250 members. However, it's very important to think about the growth of your business. If you think about keeping it small, then Thinkific might be just the right tool for you. However, as you grow, you may want to consider other things and other integrations that you will need to add. And one of them is email marketing that is already included in Kajabi, but you will need to integrate it with Thinkific. And that brings us to the third area, which is marketing and sales tools. In full transparency, I have been using Kajabi for 5 years now and have served over 200 clients. Kajabi has native marketing tools such as sequences, broadcasts, events, funnels, while with Thinkific, you will need to use a third-party tool like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or GetResponse. Some of them you will be able to integrate directly, and some of them will have to be connected via Zapier. Just keep in mind that all the links to the tools that I am mentioning in this video can be found in the description. So the bottom line, in Kajabi, you can keep everything under one roof, while with Thinkific, expect to integrate third-party marketing tools. Number 4, and that is content creation and content types. To be honest, both platforms have excellent drag and drop features for course building, as well as supporting video, audio, downloads, quizzes, assessments, and text. I personally find Thinkific more flexible when it comes down to content creation, specifically for courses, as you have the ability to insert your presentations or slides in Thinkific, while in Kajabi it will have to be a guided video. Now, number 5, my favorite, is website and page builder. Kajabi offers a ton of different templates where you can change colors and fonts and make it really on brand, while Thinkific's website builder is more simple, but you can get your storefront set up faster. Number 6, and that is community features. Both platforms now offer communities where you can interact with your members via different chats or through uploading the video, meetups, or private messaging. But what I do like about Kajabi is that it also offers gamification, bringing your communities to the next level and keeping your members engaged and coming back for more interaction. Number 7, member experience and mobile app. I personally think, again, that both platforms offer great user experience. Kajabi does offer a free app that your students can download to learn on the go, regardless of the plan you are on. While with Thinkific, the app comes in an add-on and eventually will cost more money. Number 8, analytics and reporting. Thinkific is often cited as slightly better with more detailed analytics and reporting specifically for student progress and course engagement, while Kajabi offers pretty good and analytics for sales, email marketing, and website visits. So factor that in when you choose the best platform to run your knowledge-based business. Number 9, support and resources. I have to admit again, both platforms have great customer service and offer both email and chat support. Also, both platforms have their own universities specifically for creators, which will help you learn all the ins and outs of running a business, creating the course, all the strategies, marketing, and so much more. And those courses are included with your subscription. And finally, number 10 is payments and payouts. I personally found it a little disappointing that with Thinkific, you have to have a growth plan and above to be able to offer flexible payment options for your customers. With Kajabi, on the other hand, you can offer one-time payments, payment plans, and subscriptions to your customer on any plan. Also, payment methods are limited on 2 lower tiers with Thinkific, while Kajabi offers different payment methods such as PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and even Klarna and Afterpay. So you might be eager to know, who is it for? Kajabi is for creators who want to have everything under one roof. One login, one password to remember, and all the tools. Also, it's for someone who doesn't want to piece together different software. It's also for creators who feel comfortable investing a little bit more in the beginning, but potentially saving money in the long run without having to integrate third-party tools. And Thinkific is for those who want a robust system to deliver high-quality educational products. It's also great for small schools and educators who heavily focus on learning experiences. It's also for those who are looking for budget-friendly solutions while delivering high-quality education to their members while monetizing what they already know. So there you have it, Thinkific and Kajabi, both powerful platforms, but they do cater to slightly different needs. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your budget and your business goals and needs. If you have any questions about either platform, leave your comments below. And don't forget to use my partner links to get 30-day extended free trials. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.